Did you record anything on my screen? Give me a stop. Stop right there. Stop right there.
I'm trying to come in to a public office that's open to the public. Then open the door. What are you doing?
Move your foot.
What are we doing?
Move your foot.
No, it's an open, this is an open public office. What the fuck are we doing?
You can get my car, but you fix it. Get it. You understand?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're gonna come at me, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go ahead, do something.
Yeah, you get
Piece Shut the f up, dude. Well, you should have just kept driving.
When a citizen cites precedents such as ACLU versus Alvarez and Houston versus Hill, the question is no longer, what are you doing? But rather, where is the line between the right to record and the right to be protected? On the other side, law enforcement officers approach with concerns about safety, privacy, and the pressure of being under scrutiny, creating a clash not just of actions, but of perspectives on power and freedom. Welcome back to real-world tests of the First Amendment, of professionalism, and of how we choose to confront each other's rights. Let's step together into the first situation of today's tense sequence, where every action and every word has the power to change the entire course of events. Let's watch closely, everyone.
Back up now. Back up. Did you record anything on my screen? Give me a stop. Stop right there. Stop right there.
The citizen is not just holding a phone, but also citing precedents such as ACLU versus Alvarez and Houston versus Hill as a powerful affirmation of First Amendment rights, the right to record and monitor public officials. On the other side, however, law enforcement carries concerns about privacy and safety when being placed under public scrutiny. Between these opposing positions, where does the boundary lie between citizens' rights and the privacy rights of those enforcing the law?
Get out of here. Back up. Back up now. Back up. Did you record anything on my screen? Give me a stop. Stop right there. Stop right there. Did you record any personal information? Information off my screen. It's in violation of leads. Did you record anything off my screen? Stop. Did you record anything off my screen? Did you record anything off my screen?
I don't answer questions.
You're not answering questions? Put your phone in your pocket. Put it away right now. I'm detaining you. You understand?
Are you going to have to cuff
You
me?
understand. You are detained.
Okay. I understand I'm detained.
I have a subject over here. Just someone over this. Everything's covered. Thank you. What's your name?
I don't answer questions.
You're detained. I need to identify you.
Nope.
You refuse to identify yourself?
They'll identify when they get here.
You refuse to identify? Identify yourself.
You know who I am.
What's your name? I'm asking you. I don't know you. I've never met you before.
I'm not under arrest.
You are detained. You are lawfully detained. I need to know if you got any personal information off my screen. That's what I need to know.
You're a sergeant? You don't know this shit?
Know what?
That this is freedom? Freedom? I'm on a public sidewalk.
You're right. You're
Glick
not
versus
allowed to record
Cuniff.
personal information
Fordyce
off
versus
the
Seattle.
screen.
Houston versus Hill.
Yep. Terry versus Ohio.
Terry versus Ohio.
Very good. Yep. Great.
Alvarez, ACLU versus Alvarez.
That's good for you.
Remember Anita Alvarez?
Yeah, I
The
remember.
ACLU sued her because filming police is legal.
Good for you.
Doesn't Ryan?
You are lawfully detained. Do not leave.
I'm not leaving.
Okay, good.
This is gonna be a good video.
Good. Did you record any personal
Freedom.
information? Did you record somebody's
Freedom.
personal information? Off
I already
my
told you I
screen?
wasn't answering questions.
Do I need to know? I need to know if you recorded any
I don't think you do.
information off of my screen.
You don't know that we have freedom in this country?
Yeah, people have a right to privacy as well. And
You have to create privacy. You have to create privacy. Privacy is in that house.
recording,
Privacy
okay?
is in there. This is all me. I paid for all of this.
Inside my squad
This is
car
all
a private
public.
area.
You're in public property. This is a public. You are now. This is media. You are now on media. You are now going to go viral.
I'm trying to get this lady off of here. Audio.
Yeah. How you doing, man? Svoboda.
Recording. I don't know if he has personal or her personal information on his cell phone. Okay.
Yeah, man, this is gonna go viral. Hopefully, you know, I mean, this is all legal. I'm in public. I'm not doing anything. I'm not yelling at. Yeah, we're going to court. I'm about to sue you guys. Ryan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I just walked up to his car and he arrested me.
Yeah.
Now my lawyer's gonna beat that shit, and I already cleared him of his qualified immunity because I advised him of clearly established law that he was violating. So if I tell you Fordyce versus Seattle, ACLU versus Alvarez, Houston versus Hill, if I already clearly tell you these things and you still arrest me, then I can take your qualified immunity and attach myself to your pension, which I don't want to do. But if that's what I have to do, then that's what I have to do. So I'll see you guys.
That's what you talked to your lawyer about?
Oh, no, I've already done this. Yeah, kind of yes. Yes and no. This isn't my first rodeo, bro. I'm sure. You know how long I've been doing this? 15 years. 15.
Yeah.
This only channel's been going on for 4 years. Broda seemed like a good guy, but then he pulled me over in Westmont. Ryan's kind of a dick.
Okay.
And then what's his name? The one that shoved the guy in down the house near downtown Westmont.
Shoved it?
Mantooth.
Oh, yeah.
There's a video. You saw his video, right?
No, I didn't see that one.
Where the guy got in his face, and then he went into this guy's house. The guy wanted him out. He was trying to take his PlayStation with him or something, and then Mantooth got in his face, kind of like how we are now.
Yeah.
And he's like, "What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it?" And the guy, they just got in each other's face, and Mantooth arrested him. That's viral. That's on my community page.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna start doing videos now.
Yeah.
Like, you know, all these guys, they do their videos.
You make videos.
I'm making videos. No, I'm making like me as like news, and then I'm gonna be showing videos.
Oh.
So I'm gonna be displaying, like, let's say you shoot someone tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully not.
Okay, but I'll show that video now, either live streaming. I'm learning all this stuff, man. 50 years old, and I'm learning. So
Yeah.
this is something I've always wanted to do.
What's that?
Keep an eye on you guys. I used to sell weed, and you guys used to follow the shit out of me. So now I don't do
Did
that.
you?
Yeah, I don't do that shit no more. I'm actually like legal. I have my own business. I rescue dogs. I'm actually a good person.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah. But I just came up to this guy. He got a little scared, and then he tried to detain me and all this shit.
Go over my,
It's
go over
okay,
my
man.
shoulder, recording
Free-
it for personal
I have to
information.
walk in public, and people walk near me, and I don't get
Yeah,
scared
really,
when
'cause
people
normal
come.
people just don't do that.
And there's
That's why.
cameras everywhere. Everywhere. There's a
Yeah,
camera
yeah,
over there.
Listen,
There's cameras everywhere.
Listen,
So, dude,
listen.
Padilla, there's no need
Listen,
for
are you
that,
listening
dude.
to me?
No,
Are you
probably
listening or
not.
not?
Probably
You
not.
run your mouth?
No, this guy's been
If
nice,
I
so I'll
find
probably
out-
talk to
okay,
him.
if I find out
You ain't gonna
posted
find out
anybody's
shit.
personal
You ain't gonna
information-
find out shit.
Okay,
dude.
yeah, because nobody's gonna watch your videos. Okay, if I find out you posted anybody's personal information,
2.2
online,
million.
Good for you.
7,600.
With nothing else to do. So listen.
Oh,
if I
they have
find out
something to
other
do,
people-
dude.
Listen, if I
I'm not
find out
listening to
posted
you.
somebody's personal
This guy's been
information
very
in
nice.
the public,
You've been a
okay,
prick, so I don't
lost
care
my
about you.
respect. Okay.
This guy's gonna get very highlighted. He's gonna look good. You're gonna look like a piece of shit. And you're a sergeant. You're a fucking sergeant. Let's see how many views this gets, Padilla. Svoboda. You too, sir. All right, Westmont Police. Am I still detained? Hey, am I still detained? I'm not detained anymore, right? No? Okay, I guess not. Thought I was gonna have to go live there for a second.
And as the tension gradually subsides, the officers leave. The person filming is also allowed to go free, bringing an end to a highly contentious situation, yet leaving behind many thought-provoking questions. The next location is not just an ordinary government building, but a place where power, law, and citizens' rights begin to collide, and everything can change in an instant.
I'm trying to come in to a public office that's open to the public. Then open the door. What are you doing?
Move your foot.
What are we doing?
Move your foot.
No, this is an open public office. What the fuck are we doing?
It's rare to witness such a tense confrontation right at the doorway. Is the conduct here lacking the level of professionalism it requires? I'll let you watch for yourselves what's unfolding right now, because no matter how tense the situation becomes, one thing cannot be forgotten. Within this space, the First Amendment still stands.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some information in here.
What are you looking for?
Information
Regarding?
from the city clerk. Are you the city clerk?
I'm here.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to get information from the clerk.
What do you need?
But why do I have to explain it? I'm trying to do the records request that I need to get my information.
Request her downstairs. This is why I'm asking
I can
so I can help you.
see information here, cards there, information on the walls. This is all information.
Records is downstairs.
I didn't ask you where it was. I said I'm here to get information, which you guys are open, correct?
We are.
Okay, well then, excuse me, I need to come in. Thank you.
We don't have records in here.
There's information, ma'am. I said I'm coming to get information. This is an open public office. Stop being abrasive and confrontational and move out of the way so I can do my job.
But she's letting you know, what are you looking for?
Right now, I'm going to get information. I do not need your help. I'm going to get information that's on those walls for me to get anything else, anywhere else.
I'll bring it to you.
Oh, I don't need you to. I'm good.
Well, we're allowed to say that you're not allowed.
No, you're not. You just said this is an open public office. It's clearly open.
It is, and we're open by appointment.
Where does it say anywhere that we're open by appointment? It says open.
It doesn't.
Ring bell for us. There's no reason for me to explain myself
I'm
to
trying
you.
to help you. So if I were to go around, which is what I was intending to do, I would be doing the same thing that I'm doing now. We don't just let anybody in the office because we've had security issues in the past. So I'm asking you what you need so I can help you.
The information on the walls. I'm trying to get pictures of information on the walls. This is an open public office that we pay for. What the hell do you mean you don't let anybody in the office?
Exactly.
Since when do you guys think you get to control that? Right? That you don't get to control that. This is an open public office. This is the city clerk's office. If there's anywhere more public, it's the city clerk's office. There's nowhere else more public.
I'm not even sure how you got to that, but give me a minute. I'll let you in. Move your foot.
Yeah, okay. I'm trying to come in.
Move your foot.
For what? I'm trying to come in.
Because I asked you to. I said give me a
It's a
minute.
what?
I will let
She said
you
give her a
in.
minute.
For what? I'm trying to come into an open public
Excuse
office.
me.
Now you're gonna try to push me?
Because
you're gonna
I
need to
need
be
to-
bigger than that.
Dude, just move.
This lady's something else.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm trying to come into an open public office. Now she's shoving me, pushing me
You damn right.
out of
I am,
this
and I'm about
office.
to knock that out your hand. Move.
Try it. You're gonna get a good one of these if you do something like that. So don't try to hit me. This bitch says she's gonna try to hit me.
No, I said I'm knocking that out your hand.
That's assault, and I will defend myself. So I'm trying to get into an open public office.
I told you I would let you in.
Then let me in, ignorant. What are we doing?
Move your
Yeah,
foot.
ignorant as all.
Move your foot.
I'm trying to come in to a public office that's open to the public. Then open the door. What are you doing?
Move your foot.
What are we doing?
Move your foot.
No, this is an open public office. What the fuck are we doing?
Yeah.
This is fucking ridiculous,
You
dude.
don't want the information problem. And that's fine.
No, you started a problem. I'm trying to get information in an open public office. Now she pushing it again. Look at, slam my foot out of there. Dumb ass bitch. I'm all right. I'd be better if you tell this bitch to open the door. Dumbass bride. I don't know why they think they can hold people out of an open public city clerk office lobby. I was trying to come in and she started shutting it.
Oh, I see the sign.
Yeah, I was trying to, well, they just said they're open. They told me on camera, and so I go, okay, I'm trying to come in, and she starts slamming the door on me like we don't just let anybody in here. Bitch, it's an open public office. What do you mean? So yeah, they absolutely have to let me in. This is crazy.
Get something done, or?
I'm gonna ask some questions. I also want to get all that information on the wall right here.
Okay.
And like I said, the ignorant lady thinks that she just gets to tell who can come in and who can't, and that's not the way it works. But
Yeah, let me see.
yeah, it's like this. It's an Oakland city clerk's office. They need to unlock the door and let people in. I'm trying to get this information. What her problem was, she came up to me because I was trying to hit the button, and she was like, "What do you need?" And I said, "Well, I'm just trying to get information."
Okay.
She's like, "What do you need?" I said, "Well, I'm trying to get information, but why do I got to explain it to you? Just open the fucking door, right? Just ignorant."
Let me double check, and I might be able to assist you. Hello. Just a quick question. He was trying to go inside and get some information. Is that?
Do not record this, sir.
So is that place closed, or?
No, he'll be helping in a second.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Interesting. Now we get service. What the hell was the difference of that? What was the point of that? Can you explain what the point of that was?
I want to, nor do I have
You
to.
should. You were hella unprofessional.
What you need.
Yeah, I'm going to. You could have just been opened the door. I could have been did it and been gone. And you could have been professional instead of being as unprofessional as you could. Okay, no, so now where do I file a public records request at so I can get all your employee information?
In 101,
Downstairs, what is the office called?
Records Division.
City Clerk's Records Division. Okay, cool. Well, that wasn't hard, was it?
Well, that's what I was trying to tell you before, because you said records.
But I want to come into this office. I told you information very clearly. I'm here for information. I want to look at my office. I want to look around it. You guys don't control who comes in here. That's crazy for you to think that.
To a certain extent, we do.
You don't.
And we have to.
You don't.
If you at all understood any parts of what it is that we do here and what we've been through, you would understand that. But I know that you're just after your likes, so you go ahead.
No, I get plenty of those. You ain't gonna help me in that area. Trust that. In here that actually do a good job. Based on that interaction, told me everything and everybody else, everything we need to know about you for sure. Threatening people, trying to push people with your body. Yeah, you just said, I'm gonna smack that out your hand, and you said it twice. That's threatening to assault.
And I said in response to that.
Nah. Remember, we got it on camera. We didn't. Nobody threatened you. You popped that out. You popped that out of nowhere. I'm gonna smack that out your hand, and then I say, you're gonna catch one. Don't do it. Don't hit me. Don't assault me, because you will get hit back, right? So, anyways, yeah, it tells us all we need to know about you. Like I said, we want to see how people are doing their job, and when we see stuff like that, we see people that shouldn't be here. It's that simple. Should have just been professional.
Coming down for some sort of random records. I don't know.
Random records. Now it's trying to downplay.
Oh yeah, probably. That sounds about right. Yeah.
I'm done with you, for sure. Been done with you. This is what she called. Yeah, I want to do a public records request.
Okay, what are you looking for?
All kind of stuff. You get a pen and paper, I'll tell you it in. We can write it down. Are you the person the chick spoke to on the phone? She called and said I was coming down here?
Yep.
Perfect. So you know who she is.
Yeah, I know who she is.
Yeah, so I'm going to get... Oh, if you could write that down, it'd be great.
I prefer you to write. I don't want to write.
Yeah, I need you to write it.
Why?
Because it's in the law. It's written or verbal, right? So I'm going to give it verbally.
What are you looking for?
So that girl who called you, I want her full name.
You mean the one from upstairs?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. She just tried to shove me out of the lobby up there and threatened me, said she was going to smack my phone out of my hand and all kind of other shit. So We're gonna get all her info and do a story on her specifically. So,
Okay.
and
anything else?
that's it. Nope, that's it. I'll
Yeah.
come back in 10 days and pick up the response.
Is there email?
No, I'll come back. Yeah,
It's going to be hard to get all this from the personnel department.
yeah,
so-
I get it. There is an extension built in the law that
Yeah,
you
yes,
guys
I
can.
totally understand, but we need a name and a number so we contact you.
No. Like I said, I'll come back in 10 days and pick it up.
Okay, well, see what they have available, because I can't provide these information. I have to request it from the personnel department.
No, I get it. You guys just have to give a response in 10 days, right? The law says there has to be some sort of response put down on paper in 10 days. And then if you guys need an extension, you'll say that, and then you'll give me another date on when to come get
Yeah,
the
yeah,
rest of
totally.
the stuff. So that's fine.
Okay.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
From a personal perspective, you can clearly feel a tension pulling between the two sides. Not just a clash of actions, but a clash of perspectives.
It's supposed to 100% come somebody else to
Excuse me, can I
say
help you?
something else. Excuse me?
Can I help you?
No, I'm just wondering why these doors are locked. But other than that, I'm checking out the office.
Okay, you can't check out this office, so you can go to the front desk right there, and you can tell them what
No,
you're
I'm
here
good.
for.
I'm gonna document what I'm documenting. Again, there's information in there. For some reason, these
There's
doors
no
are locked. They're not.
information here.
There's pamphlets right there.
Those
That's
are for the
information.
people that belong in here.
Everybody
not yourself.
belongs in here. Yeah.
Okay.
How you gonna say I don't belong in here when I pay for this place to exist?
You don't belong
That's
in
crazy.
here, you don't. So-
anyways,
Have someone else come and escort him out, because you can't
good luck.
record anything in
Good
here.
luck with that. That ain't gonna happen. This lady's on something else.
Well, welcome
Lock.
to do what you can't knock on the door and put your camera up there. That's child protective services. So,
No, I
but
disagree.
no worries about
Yeah,
filming around.
for sure.
But that's like invading people's privacy when they're having kids and family in there. That's all I'm saying. You're
Whoa.
welcome to keep filming all around here, no problem.
Yeah.
But when you're knocking on
I don't need to keep going with it. What I was trying to get at is this: there's a reception area in here
Yeah, but
that's open to. One, I didn't knock on the door, but if I want to knock on the door, I can knock on the door, right? No, I didn't. I was saying this is supposed to be open. I wasn't knocking for someone. I was tapping.
Doing all your filming. We don't have
You're misunderstanding what I did. I was tapping. I'm narrating my video, and I was tapping, saying this is supposed to be open. That ain't me knocking on the door, right?
Tapping
So,
is knocking.
oh,
But
whoa.
you're putting it way up here to film inside.
For sure.
When it's,
Yeah, and I'm
inside
gonna-
There, if you're not a client or you're not a CPS worker or you're not bringing your kids in here, you do that. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah,
That's
so
all I'm saying.
any member of the public is a client. I think that's where you guys are used to this, and they tell you guys to do this, but it don't work like that. It don't work like that,
So
right?
you just think you
I'm
can
gonna.
walk inside of here and just film it?
We should be able to,
No, you
yeah,
won't be able to.
yeah.
It's not a child protective service, so you don't have any probable cause for a child to be in there. That's what I'm saying. It's private inside of
Sir, there's
This is
information.
public.
There's information in there that we're supposed to be able to get.
Information for people that are clients.
For anybody,
and- no, it's not,
what
sir.
you don't understand,
It's
the
not,
public
sir.
are the clients. The services are provided to the public, and that's why I'm trying to correct you.
No,
Instead
you're
of
not.
getting excited,
No,
listen
you're
to
not.
the
No,
information,
no,
right?
you're not.
Because
But you're
I
not
know
listening.
they tell you this,
You're not
but
listening,
you're
no, sir.
told wrong, right?
You're not- that's all.
This should be open. If there's going to be
Inside.
information in there, it should be open for us to grab.
So you're right. So information is right here.
Where's
Inside of
all
here.
them pamphlets
Inside
are
of
right
those.
out here? Where are all them pamphlets at?
Just hold on.
I'm asking.
Just let me explain.
Where are the pamphlets at?
It's all right, sir. You have a good one.
But hold on, you told me you're going to tell me where the pamphlets are. That's what I'm. It would be easy if where are the pamphlets? Are they out here? Because they don't look like they're out here. So what I'm doing is, what I'm going to, but what I'm going to continue what I'm saying too. What I'm going to do is document the fact that there's information in there, public information that is behind doors that you aren't allowing people to get, that actually social services aren't allowing people to get. And I'm going to put that out so that they could change it, right? That's how we create change when there's things that are wrong. You guys are told to do this, and I understand you don't have a say-so, but what you're told is the wrong thing. So that's what you guys need to understand. He's an idiot. Hey, that's professional, bro. You supposed to be on work professional, huh? And you calling people idiot? That don't sound professional. I didn't call you names. I could call you an idiot back, right? I could call you worse than that. But what's the point, right? So that's what I'm saying. What was the point? I heard he's an idiot. He's a YouTuber. Yeah, I know. Well, people would lie for people. That's okay. I heard it. That's all that matters. All right, so how do I get these pamphlets we were talking about earlier? It's the last thing I got to get. Y'all are here to help, right? All right, how do I get the pamphlets?
We don't have any available right here.
Well, that's part of my point as to why these offices need to be open so we can get pamphlets. I shouldn't have to sit here and ask and be ignored to get pamphlets, right? So how do we do that? Oh, maybe I ask her. Is she who does she work for? Do you work for probation or social services?
Social services.
So how do I get the pamphlets and the rest of the public information that's on these walls in these offices that you guys are restricting access to?
So it would be public information if you had business in there, I would imagine.
Even if you don't have business, some people need the information,
because
right?
that room is for visits for the children, so it's not really public
But
over there.
what does that have to do with the pamphlet? See what I'm saying?
It's for the parents and the visitors if the people come.
Right, which is just public information for people to be able to get,
If
right?
you guys want to get it, I suppose you can get it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. How do I get them? So I'm asking for the assistance. This is just public information.
Do you need records?
No, I need the pamphlets that are on the wall. I'll get the records. I want one of all of them, so I can see what they are. All right, it's information, and that's information that the public pays for to have up there for us. And that's what you guys don't get. You guys are just social services in Alameda County is horrible. I know, but you guys, every office I've been to, social services has just been garbage, right? And that's why I got asked to come to these locations. You realize that people come here for services, ask me to come here because of the way you guys act, right? And that's why I come here to expose. I've already asked your security guards about 15 times, how do I get these pamphlets? How do I get help? How do I get service? And they won't even talk. Listen, right now I'm trying to get pamphlets and the public information that's on any wall in any one of these offices.
If the public, if it was for all the clients, it would be on the outside walls. But those again are for the clients that have business in there, and that's to do with the children that have visitations.
So this is the most ridiculous statement ever. So these pamphlets that are public information on how to get help and how to get certain services for people that may need those services are only for the people that go in there? Is that what you're saying? How does that make sense to you? Are you a supervisor? Are you a supervisor?
Hope you have a good day.
Are you a supervisor? If not, I'd ask for your supervisor. Your supervisor, please. I need somebody who has a little more know-how, knowledgeable in this, and common sense that can give me those pamphlets. And any other pamphlets, business cards. That's part of the problem, being locked down.
Would you like a business card?
I've been asking for this the whole time. You barely heard that? Right, which you should be getting too. As well, get your supervisor. Any that are available. Those are just public documents. They're public information. Here, let me make this point to you. What pamphlet is out here at all?
Probably not.
There's nothing, and they're all available to the public. That's the whole point. These people are dumb. I swear, these people are stupid, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. How hard was that? Thank you. At least somebody did their job. I know. I disseminate them to everybody. Perfect. Thank you. So here goes the pamphlets. At least somebody did their job, right? Somebody thought maybe I should just do my job and like everything will be fine. Look at this is the pamphlet that they wouldn't give us. This is the pamphlet that they would not go grab, right? Your rights. That's crazy. We know if this lady's coming back to give me the card or what? Is she? Been a minute, and I'm trying to get up out of here. I got other stuff to do, so.
I left her a voicemail. She didn't pick up.
Okay, that's all good. I'm gonna. I waited long enough for her. I ain't gonna keep waiting. I was really just trying to get the card and these pamphlets, which you help with. So I appreciate you. Hi.
What are you filming?
Come again? Just everything in the office.
Who are you?
Just me.
Who are you? I don't think you're supposed to be able to just walk in. Are you here to meet with someone?
Why not? The door's open.
Okay, but you're filming a public space.
Right.
So what's going on? Why are you coming in here and doing that?
Well, I'm working on something myself, but why? What's the problem? Okay. You're a photographer too?
Yeah, so he doesn't want to tell me.
Awesome.
Why he's coming into our office and why he's filming.
Back up, because she's being erratic. I believe I did tell you.
No, you didn't say anything.
Yeah, I did. I answered all your questions.
So who are you with?
I'm just by myself.
Yep.
How about you?
And I work quality control board. What's your name?
Awesome. I don't give my name. What's your name though?
Lisa.
Good to meet
You can
you.
have my name.
Well, I know. Yeah, I know.
But I can't have your name.
Correct.
And why is that?
Because I don't want to give my name at this time. Why would I have to give my name?
Because you're walking into a public space and you don't want to give your name. Got it.
Okay.
And you don't want to tell me why you're filming.
I did tell you why I'm filming.
No, why are you filming?
I said I'm taking pictures of the office and I'm working on something, yeah.
So that's not an answer.
That's totally an answer.
And what are you working on?
A story. What are you doing?
And what kind of story?
Well, I'm not going to divulge that.
And how come?
Because I don't want to.
Because why not?
Because I don't have to. And why are you being extremely weird?
Because you just walked into our office and you're filming. Of course I'm going to be the one that seems normal, not you. And you won't even tell me your name.
You're going to be the one that seems normal in this? Is that what you think? Yes. That's funny. Okay, well, you can go back to work.
In my view, the officers in this situation should have maintained a more professional, calm, and open attitude rather than responding defensively. Because when defensiveness overrides understanding, the line between responsibility and authority can become blurred. And in that moment, what is affected is a fundamental right of the citizen, the right to record, observe, and access information under the First Amendment.
A little more animated though. Give me more facial expressions.
Totally normal person.
Totally normal. You're acting totally normal.
Dude.
I agree.
You can go.
So can you?
I work here. I can't leave.
Okay, me neither. I'm working myself and I have things to do.
And
so.
what do you do?
None of your business, ma'am. You haven't been professional or kind at all. Like I'm not interested in speaking with you.
What do you want to know?
She thinks it's funny.
What do you
Nothing.
wanna know?
I just said I'm not interested in speaking with you.
Well then why are you here?
I told you that as well.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. It's on camera. It's on your camera too. You can play it back and listen to it.
Of course I didn't tell me anything.
Yeah, I did.
Did you get everything that you needed?
No.
Well, what else do you need?
I'm taking pictures.
What else do you need?
Right now, I'm just taking pictures. If I need something else, I will request your assistance. How about that?
So, I mean, you already have this whole front area.
And that means exactly what?
You want the front area and that's it? You don't want any other part?
You're going to let me in the back?
Nope.
Well, then, I mean, it sounds like I can get the front area.
What do you want?
Ma'am, I don't need anything from you. I would just go back to work.
So what are you going to do now?
Right now, I'm going to film, finish taking my pictures, let you go back to work, and then be on my way when I'm done.
Well, you've pretty much gotten everything.
Well, since when is that your job to decide that or tell me when I've done my job?
Creepy.
And what's creepy? Somebody doing a story? Go ahead. They're going to tell you that there's nothing they can do and you should just go back to work. So, bye-bye. Thank you.
You can go now.
You can go as well. Bye-bye.
Oh, I thought you were doing a thing with just us, but you're just doing building.
I literally said I'm doing a story. I told you. You asked about what. I said I don't divulge that.
But you're doing all
so even if I was just doing the water, even if I was just doing the water board.
That it's very specifically to what our job is. So, but it sounds like you're doing things.
Right, but even if I was just doing the water board, I think where you are mistaken is like you need to understand you work for the public, you work for us. This is you even said you're taking pictures of a public area, which is completely 100% protected by the First Amendment of the Constitution.
No, you're right. You're right.
It's weird.
Here's the thing. We have people that come in that try to like be sneaky and they try to like serve us. It's all been very creepy. We've had a lot of creepy stuff. So yes, you're right. So we do get a little hyper vigilant because we've had other guys who don't have the right come here.
Everybody has the right, though.
No. But some people are like, it's very scary what some people come in and try to do, and then they try to come in, and it's a whole thing. And we've had that before. So you have to understand our reaction, especially me as a female. And when you have a male coming in here, we've definitely had men come in here and like work their way. If the door was open, they would have walked through. And as a woman, it's very scary.
Well, yeah, if the door's open, we can come right in.
No.
That's why you gotta leave it locked.
This
Yeah.
isn't, just understand, you know, it is creepy. You know, like if you're at work and I come up and I put my camera on you, just understand that.
My
part.
camera wasn't on you though.
It was all over us.
I was totally not focused on you. You even walked up and I was looking at the whole view of everything, and then you walked up with a camera. So like the excuses seem weird to me.
What you want?
What?
My reaction to you, did it give you what you
I didn't want or need anything from you. That I told you several times. I don't need anything from you. I don't need to speak to you. I don't need anything. Right? But like right now I hear you saying, well, it's because of this, it was because of that, and those things weren't the way they happened. I was looking at the office and you came back out with a camera, so like those things didn't make you, like I didn't force you to do anything. You did it all yourself, and I wasn't even focused on you. Clearly said, I don't need anything from you.